You ever wish you could bend the rules of your favorite single player game, like infinite health, unlimited ammo, slow down time? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to episode 1 of our C journey, where we don't just learn programming, we use it to break games. C is one of the most powerful programming languages out there. It's fast, close to the hardware, and it's what many games are built with. If you want to understand how games work and how to manipulate them, learning C is the best place to start. In this series, we're going to start from scratch. No experience needed. We'll learn the basics of C++, understand how games store data, and then build our own game cheats. We'll build trainers that give us infinite health, ammo, and maybe even some slow motion magic. So here's what you need. A Windows PC, Visual Studios. We'll be using a free game called Assault Cube, and some of your curiosity. This isn't some boring coding class. We're going to learn by doing, and we'll be doing some pretty cool stuff. So as of right now, hit that subscribe button, join the HackByte Discord, and get ready to unlock the full power of C++, one cheat at a time. In the next video, we'll be installing Visual Studios and writing our very first C++ program. So let's go.